Hi, I am Reshma Pujari. I am mother to a 11-year-old, and today I'm going to talk about his little journey, about him and me together. Rudra was always a early morning baby, so he used to wake up by 6:30, 6:30, and used to sleep the whole night. So to complete his sleep, like for 12 hours sleep, which he required, basically from 8:30 I started preparing him. 8 o'clock after his dinner, and by 9:30 he is off to bed. Even today is an early morning riser. So whatever time he sleeps, he rises by 6:37. I used to put him to sleep by 9:30, and then I used to plan any things what I have to do in my life, like even for the dinners and all. If he's not coming with us, and most of the time I saw to it that in any functions, basically we don't attend the night functions together, or else we come back by 9:30 and he's put to sleep for that. Even when he grew up by 8 9 also, because the friend circle and all has come, even if you have to go to their house, his cut down timing was 10:30 11. He had to come back max. Now that he's grown up, 12 o'clock is his cut off and he has to come back. I think so it has benefited a lot. Even today, if he's traveling, if you're coming back from the travel, or even if he sleeps, like I said, if he's sleeping at 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, he will get up at 6:37 and do his work. Like, he plays sports, so if his coach is coming early in the morning, he's the one that he keeps a time schedule. He gets up early in the morning. Even for the school, I just have to call him once or twice. There are some days where he's little tired, but most of the days he's up by 6:30 and getting ready to school. So I don't have a problem of him cribbing for the early mornings, because he sleeps early and then his whole sleep is done by the time he gets up by 6:30 in the morning.